Hey everyone, welcome back to BotSailor. In this video, I'm showing you how to connect your Facebook account to BotSailor. After watching this video, you can connect your Facebook account to any Facebook automation platform. So let's get started. First, I'm clicking on Dashboard right up here in the top right to access my workspace. Now, on the left sidebar, I'll click Connect Account. You'll see all available platforms here. Notice that there is no linked platform here yet. Let's scroll down to Facebook and click this blue Connect Facebook button. Next, I'll click Login with Facebook. This opens Facebook's authorization pop-up. I'll select my account, Easy Mod Test, and click Continue. Here, I'm selecting the specific Facebook page I want to link and clicking Continue. I'll leave these default business and Instagram settings checked so everything stays synced, then hit Continue again. Now I'll review the access permissions, click Save, and finally hit Got it to finish linking Facebook. We're redirected back to BotSailor. Notice the status says Disabled. To turn it on, I'm clicking this yellow Enable button under Actions, and then OK on the success confirmation. Now as you can see, the bot status says Connected, so that means we are good to go. Finally, I'll click Chatbot Manager on the left sidebar, and I'm ready to build automated flows and keyword replies. Click on this Create button and you can start making chatbots. In the next video, I will show you how to build a chatbot from scratch. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.